how to create an eBay account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos from us. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After opening up, you have to click on the search bar and search for eBay. After searching for it, you have to go for eBay option over here in the second paragraph. So in order to create an account, you have to go for sign in or register option in the left upper corner. After going for it, you'll be able to see these text boxes over here. If you already have got an account, then you can directly log in from over there. But we are looking for creating an account, so you have to click on create an account option over here. And in the right hand side, you can easily continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. Here I am continuing with Google. And if you want to change, then you can go for change option over here. After that, you have to go for create account option. So by following this simple steps, you can create an eBay account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.